Let's be real for a minute. Most of us were raised on a lie. The lie that the only safe path to a good life is a cubicle, a middle manager you don't really like, and a steady paycheck that barely keeps up with your rent. We're told that starting a business is risky, but tell me, what's riskier than having 100% of your income depend on the mood of one person, your boss?
The world in 2026 is different. The barrier to entry to start something that makes 10K, 15K, or even 20K a month has never been lower. But most people are looking in the wrong places. They're looking for get-rich-quick schemes. We're not doing that today. Today, we're talking about real businesses that solve real problems. These are 10 business ideas that don't just replace your salary, they obliterate it.
Number 1, the specialized service agency. I'm not talking about a generic marketing agency. Those are a dime a dozen. I'm talking about being the short-form video guy for high-end real estate agents, or the automation specialist for dental offices. Here's the secret. Businesses have money, but they don't have time. If you can walk into a local business and say, "I will handle all your AI-driven customer service so you never miss a lead again," you aren't a freelancer anymore. You're a partner. You charge $2,000 a month per client. Get 5 clients, which is nothing in a city of millions, and you're already at 10K a month. That's double most entry-level corporate salaries in the US.
Number 2, the old school service business with a new school edge. Everyone wants to build an app, but nobody wants to clean a window or fix a fence. The blue-collar gap is massive. Look at something like professional pressure washing or mobile car detailing. But here's the trick. Don't just be a guy with a hose. Build a brand. Use a professional booking system, run targeted Google ads, and focus on recurring maintenance packages. If you can automate the booking and the billing, you can hire a crew. Suddenly, you're the CEO of a local service empire, while your friends are still arguing over Zoom calls.
Number 3, curated newsletter and ghostwriting. We are living in the attention economy. CEOs and founders want to be thought leaders on LinkedIn or X, but they are too busy actually running their companies. If you have a knack for writing and a bit of a voice, you can offer ghostwriting services. High-level ghostwriters charge $3,000 to $5,000 per month per executive. You handle their posts, their newsletters, and their presence. You are literally the voice behind the power. It's remote, it's high margin, and the networking alone is worth more than a master's degree.
Number 4, niche property management, the midterm rental. Everyone knows about Airbnb, but the market is getting crowded. The real money right now is in midterm rentals, housing for traveling nurses, corporate relocations, or digital nomads who need a place for 3 to 6 months. You don't even need to own the house. You can do rental arbitrage with permission, or simply manage these properties for a much higher fee than standard property managers. Because these tenants pay a premium for furnished, flexible stays, the margins are huge compared to a standard yearly lease.
Number 5, specialized edtech or micro courses. Forget the how to make money courses. The real money is in teaching hyper-specific, boring but valuable skills. How to use a specific type of medical billing software. How to pass a very niche engineering certification. How to manage a fleet of delivery trucks. If you have a skill that helps someone else get a raise or a better job, they will happily pay $500 for a course. Sell 2 a day, just 2, and you're clearing $30,000 a month. That's surgeon money. Number 6, personalized health and longevity coaching. In 2026, people are obsessed with living longer and feeling better, but they are confused by all the noise. They don't want a personal trainer at a local gym. They want someone to look at their blood work, their sleep data, and their nutrition and tell them exactly what to do. If you're a data-driven fitness nerd, this is your gold mine. High net worth individuals will easily pay $1,000 a month for a concierge health coach who keeps them at peak performance. 10 clients, and you're out-earning most lawyers.
Number 7, AI integration consulting for small businesses. This is the gold rush of our decade. Every small business owner is scared of AI, but they know they need it. They don't need a complex software developer. They need someone to show them how to use ChatGPT for their emails, how to use AI to track their inventory, and how to use simple tools to save 10 hours a week. You charge a transformation fee of $5,000 to $10,000 to set up their systems and train their staff. 2 clients a month, and you're living the dream.
Number 8, the micro SaaS owner. You don't need to build the next Facebook. You need to build a Chrome extension or a simple Shopify app that solves one tiny, annoying problem for a specific group of people. Maybe it's a tool that helps Etsy sellers calculate their taxes better. If you have 500 people paying you $20 a month, that's $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, MRR. The best part? It's software. It works while you sleep. Number 9, high-end event curation. People are lonely and they are tired of digital-only connections. There is a massive demand for curated experiences, exclusive dinners, niche networking retreats, or specialized workshops. If you are a great connector and an organizer, you can sell tickets to high-end events. People pay for the room. They pay for the people they will meet. A well-organized weekend retreat for 20 people at $2,000 a head can net you $20,000 profit in a single weekend. Number 10, the content to commerce brand. This is the ultimate play. You build a community around a niche, let's say indoor gardening or cybersecurity for seniors. You provide massive value for free through a YouTube channel or a podcast, but you don't rely on AdSense or sponsors. That's the old way. You sell your own physical product or your own software that solves that community's specific problem. When you own the audience and the product, the profit isn't just beating a 9-to-5, it's generational wealth territory.
Now, look at this list. What do they all have in common? None of them require $1 billion in VC funding. None of them require you to be a genius. What they require is the courage to be uncomfortable for a year, while everyone else is playing it safe in their cubicles. The 9-to-5 isn't safe, it's just familiar. And in 2026, the familiar is the most dangerous place to be. You have to decide if you'd rather work 40 hours a week for someone else's dream or 60 hours a week for your own. Because the math is clear. The ceiling for an employee is a floor for an owner.
So, which one of these caught your eye? Are you the service agency type or the software builder? Stop overthinking it. Pick one, do the research, and make your first move this week. The 9-to-5 will always be there if you fail, but the opportunity to get ahead of the curve is happening right now. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to stop trading time for pennies, hit that subscribe button. Let's build something real. See you in the next one.